Hello everyone, my name is Panha Neath. I'm 17 years old. I just graduated from high school. Currently, I'm preparing for the university entrance exam. I was one of the students that participated in Sister of Code. I know this program because of the school announcement. I had always been curious about coding and how people use codes to create applications. I got to learn so many things as well as get so much useful experience. I started to understand the basic of coding thanks to my teacher explanation, and then I tried to practice on my own. As a result, I could create my own games and accomplish the task that my teacher assigned for me. Other than coding, I also got to learn about creating website and learn about other things related to computer, which is necessary for our daily life. In this program, I got a chance to meet a lot of people. They were like my sister. We learned together, we do project together, and we had so much fun together. It was a really great memory for me. After I finished the program, I find myself in a whole new level since I finally understand what I did not before. I feel more comfortable working with computer and I'm really proud of myself. I'm happy that I decided to join this program. Although my future career seems to be different from coding, I still believe that the experience that I got from Sister of Code will help me to develop myself in the future, since like nowadays everywhere in every aspect high technology is needed. Also, I would like to say thank you, Sister of Code, for paying attention to the girls and giving them chance to study about coding, including me. I am really grateful for that. Moreover, I hope that in Cambodia, a lot of people will be interested in coding, especially girls. I hope that they will take a liking in high technology as well as coding, since it plays a really important role in our society. Also, in helps our country development. So this is the end of my video. Thank you for sparing your precious time listening to my experience. Goodbye.